We're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, outside of Nashville. Our phone number is 615-641-7720, and today we're going to be looking at this 7x20 straight deck utility trailer. Up front, we have your jack, coupler, and safety chains, as well as your spare tire holder, Breakaway. The floor is made of pressure-treated wood flooring. It's a tandem axle. It's going to come with two greasable 3,500-pound axles. Some black diamond plate fenders. This is fully wired with LED drive lights. Comes with a tall spring-assisted loading ramp. We do have your tie-down points. Once again, this is our 7x20 straight deck utility trailer with tall gate. If you're interested in this trailer, give us a call at 615-641-7720.